Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the best commuter bikes. Watch till the end to know which is our best recommendation from the list. So, first on the list is the Specialized Sirrus 2.0, a hybrid bike with an alloy frame, steel fork, reliable and durable Shimano parts, and powerful hydraulic disc brakes that will provide reliable stopping power in any weather condition. The ergonomic and comfortable geometry will ensure that you're comfortable during the long rides. It also features rack and fender mounts that you can use to carry luggage or groceries. The 1x8 wide drivetrain has enough gear range to easily tackle climbs and flats, and the wider, slightly aggressive tires make this a great fitness bike that you can enjoy riding on bike trails or secret dirt shortcuts. Trek FX1, a lightweight, sturdy, and durable hybrid bike with a lifetime warranty that gives you the confidence to buy it and use it for your trips, making it perfect as a road bike. It features a Bluetooth sensor that you can use to connect to an app that will help you keep track of your fitness, 21 speeds so you'll have the right gear for any terrain, mounts for racks, fenders, lights, kickstands, and fitness trackers, and double-walled strong wheels with stable, wide tires. It also has good brakes that make it safe to ride on steeper slopes. A versatile bike that you can use for casual rides, exercise, or commuting to work. Cube Travel SL, a quality hybrid bike that will easily transport you and your things from one point to the next with ease. It's equipment with a rear rack, dynamo hubs, and lights, 11-speed internal hub gear, mudguards, maintenance-free belt drive, and reliable hydraulic Shimano disc brakes. The disc brakes are reliable in all weather conditions, and the internal hub gear is low maintenance and user-friendly. The frame is lightweight with a rigid fork, and paired with wide and plush tires with a Kevlar lining to prevent punctures for a fast, smooth, and comfortable ride. Canyon Commuter 7, a hybrid bike fitted with lights powered by a Shimano dynamo hub, a bell, internal cables and tubing, a rack, mudguards, and a one-piece bar and stem to give it a neat look. The Gates belt drive is low maintenance, so you don't need to lubricate it regularly. The 11-speed rear hub has a wide range of gears, so you can find the right one for any type of terrain. The pedal-powered lights ensure that you have enough light to pedal the bike early in the morning to work or in the evening to meet friends. Surly Crosscheck, a very versatile bike you can use to commute to work, gravel on the weekends, or cyclocross racing. Although it doesn't include many bells and whistles, it's a versatile bike that comes with eyelets to help you easily mount the front and rear racks and fenders. It also features clearance of up to 42mm tires, semi-horizontal dropouts for wheelbase adjustability, and single-speed compatibility, and a wide range of sizes. However, this bike doesn't use disc brakes. Instead, it takes Tektro Cantilever brakes. Trek FX Sport 5. This is an excellent bike for fast commuting that features a flat handlebar design, OCLV carbon frame, Shimano 2x10 drivetrain with a wide range of gears for fast rides, and an IsoSpeed decoupler that will absorb the road impact to ensure a smooth ride. This lightweight road bike also has hidden mudguard and rack mounts, reliable hydraulic disc brakes for all-weather stopping, and a lightweight wheel set with through axles for better control and responsiveness, and handlebars with ergonomic and vibration-absorbing grips. You can easily accessorize it with lights, mudguards, etc., or pair it with your smartphone to send your fitness data to a fitness app. Oyama Skyline in 7B. This is a folding bike with a lightweight alloy frame with fenders and a rear rack with an integrated bungee strap. It also features 7-speed internally geared Shimano Nexus Hub and belt drive that will make it easy to tackle descents or climbs. Its unique belt drive doesn't require any maintenance or greasing, and together with the reliable and strong V-brakes and the durable double-wall alloy wheels, you're ready to ride anywhere safely. This folding bike also has a bell that alerts people when you're in a busy street, and racks for convenient carrying of your books or shopping. Which is the best one? The Specialized Sirrus 2.0 is the best commuter bike because it has everything you need to make your ride comfortable, from the rack and fender mounts, reliable hydraulic brakes, and a wide range of gears to help you navigate any terrain. That's all for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and let us know which video you'd like to see next from us.